Schick Silk Touch-Up Razors. These are so great, you guys. They are super inexpensive and they're gentle on the skin. The blade is awesome quality, it gets the job done, it doesn't irritate my skin, and I love how portable these little things are. So
I always use a razor to groom my brows. They're really good, really easy to use. You can also use them to shave your face and also exfoliate your face. So if you guys have never heard of shaving your face, it's a really simple, easy thing to do to get your skincare products to work better, one, and two, it helps your makeup to go on a lot smoother. Yeah.
I was never able to wear powders before I shaved my face because it would get collected on all my peach fuzz and it looked so powdery and gross. And now that you once you have no peach fuzz and you're exfoliated and your skin is just so smooth, the powders melt into your skin. You never look powdery. Honestly, it's a life-changing experience.
Now they do also come with another little attachment that you can slide right on top of the blade, and this is great for precision or precise eyebrow shaping. And I'm just gonna go right into my eyebrows, just the little hairs under here, and I'm gonna clean those up. They are super amazing quality at a great price, and once you try them, you will not want to ever go without them again.
If you're looking for a way to save money, simplify your cooking, and help your food stay fresh for longer, the NutriChef vacuum sealer is the perfect automatic sealing system for your kitchen. This is an ideal way to save money and time with easy, organized food storage and a faster way to prep your food. The NutriChef vacuum sealer preserves food up to 5 times longer than zippered bags or containers. It's easy to operate with its simple plug-in design, soft touch control panel, and LED indicator lights. It features 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. Dry for solid food items, and moist for marinated, simmered, or steamed foods. Included with the vacuum sealer, you'll find the air hose, a cork wine stopper, along with 5 medium vacuum bags and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll. Both bag styles are waterproof and reusable, so you're ready to seal, store, and save as soon as you have the NutriChef vacuum sealer in your kitchen. The NutriChef vacuum sealer is the perfect automatic air sealing system for your kitchen. To get started, you can use either one of the 5 medium-sized pre-cut bags or customize one from the vacuum bag roll included. To customize, simply seal the first edge by placing the edge of the bag in between the vacuum chamber. Be sure it isn't too far up or down and reduce any excess liquid in the bag. Lock the lid into place and touch the seal button to begin sealing. Once the LED light turns off, your bag is sealed. Cut the length of the bag you need. Be sure to leave space on the end for sealing. Once you've filled your bag, choose from 2 sealing modes for the best possible preservation: dry for solid items and moist for wet items. Choose the gentle option for delicate foods that require less compression. The NutriChef also comes with an air hose and wine stopper so you can seal your leftover wine. The NutriChef vacuum sealer, the best way to keep your foods fresh and your kitchen clean.
Break through never-ending breakouts with P006. Dermatologists recommend P006 to help clear, treat, and prevent acne. Clear your skin with P006 acne washes. Help speed up healing with our overnight spot patches. And mattify oily skin with our new oil control moisturizer.
When you can take fresh, healthy ingredients and combine them in quick, delicious recipes, every meal and snack becomes a little bit like magic. Make it quick, healthy, and delicious with the original Magic Bullet.
Finishing touch. Flawless Women's Painless Hair Remover. Safe on all skin types and tones. No more cuts from razors. No more redness and irritation. Dermatologist approved. It is hypoallergenic, suitable for all women.
I tried everything for my stubborn dandruff, and then I found Nizoral. Nizoral works differently to get to the root cause of dandruff. In fact, its active ingredient is 10 times more effective at fighting fungus, the primary cause of dandruff. Say goodbye to stubborn dandruff with Nizoral.